guys, this is Bhavna Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So as you know from the title, today we are gonna set up the Christmas tree, and if there's a trouble in the audio, I'm really sorry. It's raining heavily outside. It's a cyclone going on in Tamil Nadu, but I couldn't stop myself from recording a video. Like nothing can stop us, so that is why I thought whatever happens, I'm going to record this video. So as you know, last time it was the first time I had set up a Christmas tree in my house. Last year what I did, I saved all the money, bought a Christmas tree. So if you want to check out like what height or how I bought the Christmas tree or what ornaments from where I bought, you can go and check out the video. I'll put the link up here in the cards or in the description box. You can go and check it out. I'm going to set up the Christmas tree at the same place like last year in my bedroom. What I'm going to do is the screen you see over here, I'm going to push it on the other side. Okay guys, so I know I had told you that I'm gonna push the screen towards that side, but if I push it that side, it will be difficult for me to open the door every time to the bedroom. So I thought why not twist it, and I created this twist kind of braid. So what we are gonna do is bring the Christmas tree. So I bought my Christmas tree and other Christmas ornaments, and now you might think, Bhavna, what type of packaging is this? Buying a Christmas tree, setting up a Christmas tree looks all fun. But when it comes to folding a Christmas tree or packing a Christmas tree, it's hell of a thing. So now coming to the decoration part, I know I look kind of tired and bad. So last time I had decorated my tree randomly. I had not planned anything. I had put all the ornaments randomly here and there. But this year I have made plans to how to decorate my tree. I'm going to tell you how I'm going to do it. Actually, I'm also going to show you how. So the first point, this year I'm not going to put any silver items like silver ornament for the tree, because there's already the snow thing happening, and if I put silver, it's going to look too white. Next thing what I'm going to do is, I've seen a lot of people's Christmas tree, or actually in Pinterest I've seen ribbon around the tree. So I thought why not do the same for my tree. So what I'm gonna do is, I have this baby pink kind of ribbon which I'm gonna slightly wrap around the tree. I didn't have the red one. I actually stole it from my mom, and it's a very old ribbon, so I'm just gonna wrap it around the Christmas tree in a very nice way. The next thing is about light. So last time I used this snowflake kind of light thing, but I felt that it is not that bright and there are very less lights on this. So I have another light. This is a multicolored light. This we actually used during Ganesh Chaturthi, but I wanted to see how it looks on the Christmas tree. So I think I'm going to try this. I'm going to try using this light, and this one maybe I'll use for pictures, or I'll put this light at the bottom or behind, how I want it. guide. So I have put the lights and I have put the ribbon. I have switched off the light for now, and you can see this wire going on. Obviously I'm gonna hide it. For now I'm done with the ribbon thing. Next I'm gonna put the ornaments. Strictly I'm not gonna put any silver. I'm gonna use this red one, this blue one, and I'm gonna use a few of these balls. Next I have these. The thing is, I don't have a Santa Claus. So last year I made Santa Claus. I did a DIY Santa Claus. This year I'm thinking what to do about the Santa Claus. Everywhere, like every website, everywhere I go and check out the Santa Claus doll, I am not satisfied with it. So I don't have a Santa Claus.
Did